Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, Growing with Your Child. Today we're going to be talking about teaching children independence between ages 0-5. As much as we tell ourselves and people around us that we love our children and that we will give them everything money can buy, teaching independence between ages 0-5 is one of the best gifts you can give a child. I know some people will say they are too young or they are too fragile. Contrary to what you might think, everything a child learns between the ages 0-5 stays with the child for life. Examples include how to crawl, how to walk, how to talk, how to eat, how to say mama or dada, how to mimic facial expressions, and so much more. Teaching independence between ages 0-5 is about helping children feel confident, capable, and safe while they learn to do things by themselves. Here's a simple age-by-age guide you can use. The first age group we will be talking about is ages 0-1, building trust and confidence. Independence starts with security and feeling. The following helps to build trust and confidence. 1. Respond consistently to cries. We need to understand that crying is not seeking attention. It's their only way of communicating. Responding to a baby's cry secures attachment and lay foundation of lifelong confidence. Contrary to what some may say, you are spoiling a child. You don't spoil a baby this age, you respond. To a baby, your responsiveness is interpreted as my needs matter and the world is safe. This builds trust. 2. Be warm, calm, and predictable. Babies thrive on patterns. Build a routine and stick to it, feeding, sleeping, and playing. Always use a calm voice and a gentle touch. Use familiar caregivers as much as possible if necessary. Predictability equals safety, and safety equals trust for a baby 0-1. Number 3, make eye contact and talk to them. Before a baby understands words, they first understand tone, intentions, and attention. Talk to them. I know some people will say, what do I talk about with a baby who is barely 1? You can start by talking about the activities for the day or how your day has been. Talk to them about how exhausted you are, but you still love being their mum. Let your conversations come from the heart and don't bother about the people that will call you insane. You are building confidence in your child. A baby interprets this action as being seen and important and also helps their nervous system. Have you ever wondered why, if a baby is crying and you talk to them while looking them in the eye, they calm down and you get their attention? Here is your answer. Number 4, offer physical closeness. No baby is clingy. Physical contact regulates a baby's nervous system. A regulated baby becomes a secure child, and that is why after birth, the first thing is skin-to-skin contact between mother and child. Holding, cuddling, and rocking are not spoiling your child. You are giving your child security. Number 5, allow exploration. Confidence grows when babies try things and don't feel rushed or pressured. Allow them reach for things. You can even place safe items around them so they can reach for them. Allow them roll, crawl at their pace. Just stay nearby without hovering. Always smile and encourage instead of directing or forcing them. Number 6, stay calm during distress. I know this is the most difficult because at this stage most mums are tired, exhausted, and fatigued, but as much as possible try and stay calm. When you feel overwhelmed, you can use the number technique to calm yourself. The number technique is when you count from 1 to 10 and count backwards 10 to 1. After counting, you will realize you have just calmed your nerves, then you can act appropriately. You don't need to be zen, you just need to be steady enough. The second age group we will be talking about is ages 1-2. This is a very critical age, also known as the let me try and the big no age. At this age, children want to do things themselves, even if they can't do them perfectly yet. Let's talk about what independence looks like. Trying to feed themselves, wanting to walk, explore and choose, copying what adults do and say, saying no and asserting preferences. That's all healthy independence, not stubbornness. How to encourage independence? Number 1, let them try first. Allow them to hold the spoon even if it's messy. Let them attempt shoes, toys, or cups before helping. Step in only when needed. At this age, as a parent, guardian, or caregiver, you just have to get ready to get messy because messy equals learning. Number 2, offer simple choices. Give 2 safe options. Do you want the red cup or the blue cup? This shirt or that one? This builds confidence and decision making. Number 3, encourage movement and exploration. Safe spaces to walk, climb, and explore child-proof the area instead of saying no all the time. Freedom within safety equals independence. Number 4, use encouragement, not pressure. Say, you tried. Good job. You're learning. Avoid rushing or correcting too quickly. Number 5, teach simple self-help skills. Slowly introduce washing hands with help, putting toys away, removing socks or shoes, drinking from a cup. Praise effort, not perfection. Number 6, be patient with emotions. Toddlers get frustrated easily. Patience is not one of their attributes at this stage. Try to stay calm, acknowledge feelings like I see you're upset, see you are sad because you were asked to drop the tablet. Help them regulate, not suppress emotions. Emotional safety supports independence. What to avoid at this age: doing everything for them, expecting perfection, comparing them to other children, punishing attempts to be independent. Independence grows when a child feels safe, supported, and trusted. Watch out for the part 2 of this video to learn how to teach your child independence between ages 3 to 5. In the meantime, do well to subscribe, like, and share this video with a loved one. Always remember, when it comes to children, it's a magical world and every moment is magical.